Do you want to turn a boring Shopify product outline into a high-converting Shopify description in seconds? Let ChatGPT do the magic. This simple ChatGPT prompt helps you take any basic Shopify product info and transforms it into a powerful product description that highlights features, benefits, and real-life uses. Here's how to use it. First, find 3 things: your product's name, its main function, and what it's made of. Then add this info to this prompt. Given a basic outline of a product name, primary function, and material, generate a detailed product description highlighting its key features, benefits, and possible uses. Let's say you're in the home decor niche. You input linen throw blanket, keeps you warm, made of 100% organic linen. Boom! ChatGPT gives you a cozy, inviting product description ready to drop into your Shopify store. Give it a try and let ChatGPT surprise you. And if you want more tips like this, hit that subscribe button for intelligent media, your shortcut to smarter e-commerce.